What's up everybody and welcome to the 402 crew. On this week's episode we've got something super cool for you. A super classic, like one of my classics, one of my favorites. We're going to be taking a look at the M135. So this car is close to my heart because it is supposedly stock and it supposedly whipped my ass on the quarter mile. I am not saying whether that is true or not, but you know what, let's just cut to it. Let's go. Priyan, welcome to the 402 crew. Thank you so much for coming, man, and thank you for bringing your ride.
Thank you so much for having me. Really a joy to be here.
Well, I can't believe that you're here, man, because this BMW, the 135, has been one of my favorites of all time. Ever since I ever had my A1, I've always been trying to beat you guys and I never won. So it's cool to have you here. Man, I know your car is not standard. So tell us a little bit about your car, why you bought it, you know, what's under the hood.
So similar to you, I've always had a thing for these things. I love the 135 since the 82s. Wanted one, couldn't get one because the N54s are more unreliable than anything else. So I ended up going for the N55s. This car is just above stock. Just above stock. So I've got charge pipes done, aluminium charge pipes. I've got a stainless steel downpipe as well as a stainless steel mid pipe.
Nice.
That's pretty much it for performance on this though.
Have you done a map yet?
Not yet. I'm looking to. Just got a bit of preventative maintenance BMW things.
Nice. So tell us a little bit about the racing side of it. Have you taken this car on the quarter mile?
I have done quarter mile racing as well as 200 meters, but unfortunately none of it was timed, eh?
None of it was timed. All right, today we're going to time it. How do you feel about that?
I'm keen to see what it does. The car does perform really well. We made about 230 at the wheel on the last dyno. So I'm really keen to see what it does on a quarter mile.
All right, let's take it to the quarter mile and see how she does.
Awesome.
Alright, so we're inside the BMW M135 and I'm super excited, like I said, because this is one of my favorite cars. I've always wanted to own one and I just didn't get the opportunity, and then I fell in love with Audi, and then, you know, that was history, bro. Like, you know.
It's still not where I want it to be.
Yeah.
But as a student, there's only so much you can do on our budget.
So, it's a student budget, baby. So how does she feel? Let's feel how she feels like. Holy shit. No, she pulls like crazy. This thing is quick. Oh man. So what's your favorite thing about the car?
I think the best part is that,
let's make a U-turn here.
Those little bubbles that you get on the downshift.
Yeah.
So I just love driving this thing at night in cold weather.
Alright.
Because that's the time, like the moment the temperature drops,
yeah,
it suddenly bubbles for no reason. So I'll be coming home from just going to buy bread and you just downshift here.
Jeez, I can imagine, bro. So I think the one thing that we want to do now is the quarter mile time, right? So
yeah.
Let's do a quarter mile. All right, let's go. Quarter mile time. Here we go, baby. This thing is quick, man. This thing is damn quick. Jeez, bro, like this is mad. This is mad.
And minimal.
Alright, I can't wait to see that quarter mile time. Alright, so we're inside the 135 and it's now my turn to take off for a drive. And it is, ladies and gentlemen, a dream drive for me because I've always wanted to own one. So I finally get to drive it and see what she's like. Let's take her for a drive. So right off the bat, she feels super comfortable. And the 135 was one of those cars that BMW created as an everyday sports car that was sporty enough when you needed it and just like as comfortable as you needed it when you wanted to drive daily. So like being a daily driver for you, how does it feel for you, man?
I feel a lot of pain because I mean fuel prices are through the roof. It's not fun to have a car that you're daily and your consumption is like 14 on the regular.
14?
Yeah.
Oh my
so
God.
if I go to like campus and back, like I can average around 10 and 11.
Yeah.
But like just the regular trips, going around your area, visiting people, whatever, it's not fun.
Yeah.
It's fun, but it's not good for your wallet. It's not good for your bank account.
No, especially as a student, bro. I don't know how you do it.
Yeah, it takes a lot of financial management.
Financial management, people, that's what it takes to own a BMW 135. You heard it here first. Now I remember seeing some holes over here.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can position this there. Okay, and Alright. So we're gonna make a U-turn here and head back.
Hopefully now we can convince you to sell the Audi.
Nah.
Okay, let me mod first.
Okay, mod first, let's see. And then we run the quarter mile. So let me just tell you something, right? So we ran on the quarter mile and you whooped my ass. And now I can see why.
Yeah, that's why.
Oh my God! This thing is quick, man. Yeah, now I can see why you own a 135.
Yeah, it's fun.
This is fun, dude.
And I mean,
got
just listen to the sound.
It sounds... I'm not gonna say it. My Audi still sounds better.
Is it?
This thing sounds insane, dude. It sounds... I don't know how to explain it. There's just a unique sound to BMWs, especially this 135. That is just beautiful. That 6-cylinder... yeah.
BMW 6 cylinders just sound so good.
So what's your favorite mod on this car?
It's difficult, but I'm gonna have to go with the downpipe. Those cars are extremely silent when you get them stock.
Yeah.
I did the downpipe and immediately my neighbor started complaining. Because no one wants to wake up at 6 in the morning and listen to their neighbor tearing their 135 on the way to campus. So, yeah, that has got to be my favorite mod so far.
I can imagine, dude. Well, that's it from us on the 402 crew. I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed the drive. It was super insane because I always wanted to drive the M135. It has been a favorite car of mine, and if I ever did own a BMW, you didn't hear this from me, if I ever did own a BMW, it would be the M135, and you can see why. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon. But wait, we didn't do the quarter mile times. Wait, let's put it up. Let's cut to quarter mile times. Here we go. Right? Super insane. So that was a quarter mile times, and I hope you liked it. I hope you liked this episode. Don't forget to subscribe again. Don't forget to hit that bell icon. My name is Javon Francis, signing off.